Welcome to XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. Global equities extended yesterday's strong gains, with Asian indices adding between 1 and 3% on Tuesday, and European and U.S. futures surging by 2%. The recovery theme continues to support risk assets as more businesses around the world are given the green light to reopen. Meanwhile, encouraging progress in the development of a vaccine for the coronavirus is helping calm fears of a second wave of infections. The avoidance of a second wave is critical in ensuring that the recovery that's just getting underway follows a V-shaped pattern, as future lockdowns necessitated by a flare-up in the pandemic would run the risk of pushing debt-ridden economies to the brink of collapse. For now, though, optimism is the order of the day, and if Wall Street rallies at the open as indicated by stock futures, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones should manage to clear key resistance barriers and reinforce their uptrend. The improving risk appetite weighed on the US dollar and other safe haven currencies on Tuesday. The dollar index was last down 0.4%, pushed lower by a stronger euro and pound. Sterling was one of the day's best performers, along with the risk-sensitive Australian dollar. The pound, which has been a laggard in FX markets throughout May, got a major boost on Monday after UK Prime Minister Johnson announced all shops will be able to reopen from June 15th. However, the only positive propelling the Aussie higher today was the virus recovery story, even as there appears to be no let-up in the brewing tensions between the United States and China. The United States has ratcheted up its attack on China in recent days with the communist state's decision to impose a national security law on autonomous Hong Kong, worsening already sour relations. It is also no secret that Washington lays the blame of the virus outbreak squarely on Beijing, and the threat of increased friction in the lead-up to the November election is keeping gold elevated. The precious metal was only marginally lower on Tuesday, suggesting downside moves will fail to gain much traction as long as trade war and virus risks remain present. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.